This is a constitutional case. Under the Constitution, federal law is supreme.
California law prohibits state and local law enforcement from assisting with federal immigration enforcement, with some exceptions. Governor Jerry Brown signed Senate Bill 54 into law in 2017. On Wednesday, the City of El Cajon and the America First Policy Institute announced a lawsuit challenging SB 54. Mayor Bill Wells says it conflicts with federal law.
What law should our police officers follow? Should they follow the laws of the United States of America, or should they follow the laws of the state of California?
The lawsuit specifically cites a section of federal law that, quote, makes it an offense for any person who encourages or induces someone to live in the U.S. without legal status. Richard Lawson with the America First Policy Institute says that's what sets this case apart from a similar case filed by Huntington Beach. That case was dismissed late last year.
The theory of the lawsuit is that the entire suite of sanctuary policies, everything from the boasts on California's websites about how people without documentation can get a driver's license, how people without documentation get student discounts, how people without documentation get disability benefits, how people without documentation get advance warning of an ICE notice, and yes, how people without documentation are never to be asked by law enforcement as to whether or not they're lawfully to be here. If you look at all of that, it is designed to induce and encourage illegal aliens to reside here.
Councilmember Steve Goebel asked the California Department of Justice whether local police should conduct wellness checks on unaccompanied children. The department said that may violate state law if police share immigration information with federal authorities as a result of that welfare check. In a statement, Attorney General Rob Bonta said, quote, El Cajon should prepare for another loss. There have been endless attempts to lie and gaslight the public about SB 54, but here's the truth. Anyone, regardless of immigration status, who commits a crime can be held accountable under California law, period. SB 54 is a pro-public safety law that encourages witnesses and victims of crime to come forward and work with law enforcement. SB 54 has been upheld in court again and again, and we're prepared to defend it from a baseless attack once more. The America First Policy Institute says winning this case would allow other cities to challenge their state's sanctuary laws. Katie Anastas, KPBS News.
Thank you, Councilmember.